Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the complications on a watch face on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Complications on your watch face show information at a glance. Things like calories burned, the weather, and the UV index. You can change the complications to suit your needs. To change the complications, hold down on the watch face until the face switching screen appears. Tap Edit. Then swipe from right to left through the options until you get to the complications. You can then tap on a complication to change it. Scroll through the complication options and tap to select the one that you would like. You can repeat this step to change all of the complications on your watch face. Depending on the watch face, different options will be available for different complication slots. Some watch faces have the option of 4 complications, while others have more or less. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.